Good morning. It's a rainy morning. Look at that. All the fruits that fall from the trees. We are going to cook pakbet, but just cheap ingredients available. So this is ampalaya. This is from our garden. And this is squash. We call it kalabasa in Filipino, in Tagalog. And sitaw. This is a long string beans. And okra. Yeah, that's it. And we will saute this later along with the pork, and as usual, onion and garlic.
Put on garlic. Put an onion. Put this one.
Pork.
Make it a golden pork.
It's now simmering. All done.